In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort tasks in Microsoft To Do. If your task lists feel a little messy, or you're spending time hunting for what's urgent, sorting is an easy way to bring order back. By choosing a sort option that matches how you work, you'll see the right tasks at the right time without changing any of your actual due dates, reminders, or notes, just the way they're displayed. Start by opening Microsoft To Do. Then head to the specific list you want to organize. This could be your main tasks list or any custom list you've created for work, home, or school. Sorting applies to the list you're currently viewing, so each list can have its own organizing style. That makes it simple to keep personal and work priorities distinct while still staying consistent within each list. Now look to the top right corner of the list for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu. Click it to open the menu. From there, choose Sort By. This is where you pick how you want your tasks arranged. You'll see several options. Choose Importance if you want starred items to appear first. This is great if you use the star as a quick way to mark top priorities. Select Due Date to line tasks up by when they're due, so upcoming deadlines rise to the top and overdue items are easier to spot. Pick Added to My Day to bring anything you've placed in My Day to the front, which helps you focus on what you've committed to today without losing sight of the rest. Go with Alphabetically. If you prefer a clean A to Z layout, perfect for scanning by task name or organizing lists like shopping or inventory. And choose Creation Date if you want to see the newest tasks first or flip to the oldest first. This is handy for working through a backlog in the order you added it. As soon as you make a choice, your list rearranges automatically. There's nothing else you need to do. You can change the sort option anytime by going back to the same menu and selecting a different view. Remember, sorting is just a lens on your list. It doesn't alter the tasks themselves or their details. Try different options for different lists until each one supports how you think and work. Whether you need to spot urgent tasks, find items quickly by name, or zero in on today's focus, sorting helps your lists stay clear, actionable, and easy to manage.